This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, October the 21st, 2012. Now our first look. At the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a bit of a ridge, or a slight ridge over us, trough over the north and east, and a trough to our north and west. And we'll be in between systems today, one developing to our south and west that could bring some showers and maybe a thunderstorm late tonight, and I mean very late tonight, mainly into Monday. Mainly sunny today during the daytime hours with highs near 70. But Monday it will be a little bit rainy. It won't be an all-day rain, but it looks to remain mainly cloudy most of the day. Highs will still remain in the mid-60s to mid-70s across the state. Tuesday, rain chances will be a skosh lower than on Monday. Highs still remaining a couple degrees either side of 70, maybe 67 to 74 or 5. And heading into Wednesday, still there's a chance of a shower, maybe an embedded thunderstorm. Thunderstorm chances will increase toward Wednesday evening and into the overnight. Highs still remaining either side of 70. But then Thursday, we have a low. It's not as developed as it was on yesterday's run, but it's still fairly significant. We could see some showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. Severe weather, we'll have to wait and see. Friday, that really moves off to the north and east. Here comes the cold air down. Temperatures will be crashing into the 40s for highs, maybe 50s, and some snow just to our west. And this may swing in here with a new low forming here on Saturday next weekend, so next weekend could be possibly snowy, but we'll have a couple days to look at that. And at the end of the forecast, or at the end of the week, a week from today, that trough is moving through the eastern Great Lakes. We have a west to northwesterly flow aloft with another piece energy over Montana, and we're going to have to watch that. There's another snowstorm, and that could be making its aim toward us, with a lot of cold air having dumped into the northern part of the country, especially the upper Midwest and the western Great Lakes. A couple days later, on the 1st of November, trough over the west and a ridge over the south and east. We have a southwesterly flow aloft, and that usually means that we're going to get some slightly warmer weather, and also means we could have maybe a shower or two around. So this looks fairly active if this is right, but we have a couple of days to look at this as well. And at the end of the forecast on the 5th, trough over the Pacific Northwest and into the Gulf of Alaska, vortex over western Hudson Bay. We have a westerly flow aloft, and that means quick-moving storms, and there's one coming right at us. If this is right, over eastern Colorado, southerly winds, could see some showers, maybe even an embedded thunderstorm. We'll have to wait and see on this as well. The satellite image from last evening showed a storm moving out of eastern Canada into the Maritimes, a few clouds in the mid-Atlantic and over Texas, a few high clouds to our north and west with the next system. Elsewhere, it's fairly quiet and fairly calm. The watch warning map from last evening was also pretty quiet. We had some frost advisories to our south and east over the Appalachians and into Ohio, some winter storm watches and winter weather advisories over the west, and elsewhere it was fairly quiet. QPF chart doesn't look as quiet. This is rainfall for the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing the heaviest rain will be along the Oregon and California coast, but around here we could see amounts anywhere between about 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch.